Hey, in this video we're going to show you how to remove the CD player on a 2004 Chrysler Crossfire. You're going to need these two tools. They're sold online. They're for radio removal. Not really sure on the name, but you need these specialty tools. So you insert them into the inserts. You make sure they click in, and then the radio just slides out. Alright, now just unplug the plugs. There's the button on the driver's side that you press and it comes out. Okay, and let me show you how the tools work. Alright, so this is what these tools do when you insert. They press down the locking tabs on both sides and allows you to pull out the CD player, so it just slides out basically. Okay. That's all it is. And this is a factory CD player.